Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to disable OneDrive in Windows 11. First, click on the Start menu in the bottom center of your taskbar. In the search bar, type OneDrive and then click on the OneDrive app from the search results. When the OneDrive window opens, look at the top right corner and click on the gear-shaped Settings icon. From the menu that appears, select Settings. In the Settings window, go to the Account tab. Here, you will see the option that says Unlink this PC. Click on it. This will stop OneDrive from syncing files between your computer and your cloud account. A confirmation box will appear. Click Unlink Account to confirm. Once you do this, OneDrive will no longer be connected to your PC. Next, to make sure OneDrive does not start up automatically when you turn on your computer, right-click on the Windows icon, then select Task Manager. Inside the Task Manager, click on Startup Apps from the left menu and disable OneDrive from the list. After following these steps, OneDrive will be fully disabled on your Windows 11 computer. Thanks for watching.